Hey guys, so in today's video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys how you can actually change your visibility of your Shopify store on Shopify, guys. So basically in this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you guys all of those visibility settings that you can actually mess with to make your store hidden, or you can make it public. So let's go ahead and get right into it, guys. So basically what you're going to want to go ahead and do is you're going to want to go ahead and click on online store on the left hand of your screen. Now once you're actually here, there's going to be a lot more options. Now you're going to want to head over to the preferences, since that will be where the visibility options are at now. Now that you're actually here, you're going to want to go ahead and head all the way down, and basically right here, guys, you can actually restrict access to the visitors with these password. Now you actually need a plan for this, guys. If you don't have a plan, you can actually make any visibility changes. So go ahead and pick a plan, and from there you can actually restrict access or give access to people to see the website. So basically if it's ticked, you are restricting access and the website is hidden. It can only be accessed with a password. Now if this is actually unticked, then that means that your website is completely public and any visibility is public. So pretty much that's how you go ahead and change the visibility of your Shopify store, guys. And pretty much that's been it for the video, guys. If you found this tutorial very helpful, make sure if you haven't already, like the video and subscribe to the channel, and comment down below your feedback, guys. It really is important to the channel. But with that being said, guys, I'll go ahead and see you guys for the next video.